Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be showing you how to make these orange butter cookies dipped in a fresh orange icing. We are going to start off the recipe by combining our dry ingredients, so this includes our flour, baking powder, and salt. Yes, my salt is pink because we ran out of kosher salt. Okay, moving on, we're going to get 2 sticks of cold butter, throw that into a big bowl with some sugar and orange zest, and we're going to blend that together until smooth. And then go ahead and crack in 1 whole egg and beat that in. Then we'll go ahead and add in 2 egg yolks. To our wet mixture, we are going to add in our dry ingredients that we set aside earlier and just gently combine all of the ingredients. As soon as the cookie dough starts coming together, go ahead and stop mixing just because you don't want to overmix this batter. Then using an ice cream scoop, go ahead and grab about a tablespoon of dough, then just lay it down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pat down the tops of the cookies and smooth out any wrinkles on the edges, and then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. Now this icing is super easy. All you have to do is combine melted butter, powdered sugar, orange juice, and orange zest, and then just whisk all of that together until creamy. While your cookies are cooling down, you can go ahead and ice them, or you can wait until after they're completely cool. Either way works. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. These are some fabulous orange butter cookies. I feel like they're really popular with adults because they want a more, advanced flavor palette or something like that. So if you guys give this recipe a try, let me know down in the comments section below. Alright, I'll see you next week.